Hey, I'm Sweetgrowth, and for Buildspace Season 5, I'm building a web app to simulate epidemics in grid and network formats. Well, why? I've done science Olympiad since 6th grade, and my favorite event has always been Disease Detectives. It's this really cool event where you get to study and analyze epidemics, and I thought, how can I simulate that on my own? And that's how epidemics.io was formed. We can set our parameters, then we hit reset, set our frames per second, and start the simulation. As you can see, we record a bunch of different factors while our simulation is running, including the prevalence, incidence, and SIR values. Our grid-based model represents a common source epidemic, with recovery and infectious zones representing hospitals and reservoirs. Meanwhile, our network-based model represents a propagated epidemic, with its nodes and edges representing cities and transport networks. Furthermore, we can change the arrangement of these networks by editing the graph type. This project wasn't easy. It took a bunch of research and banging my head against so much code. I read this scientific paper, read through this research fellow's blog, read through this giant repository, and studied all these libraries to get this project to where it is today. And maybe a ton of people didn't notice, but over the weeks, a few did. I'm going to continue working on this, making it more accurate and more robust to be used by researchers and in scientific studies.